¿Graba también la oscuridad?
Pero no, hay tanta oscuridad.
Brass monkey, that funky monkey. Brass monkey, chunky, that funky monkey. Brass monkey, that's more than real. Drink brass monkey, here's how you feel. You put your left leg down, your right leg up. Tilt your head back, let's finish the count. MCA with the bottle, Ross Can, and Rockets nights with Charlie Chan. We're on the mo at. We don't mind shivers, wherever we go, we bring the monkey with us. Add 1, 2, 3. My D is D. Double off puts the bill, most definitely. I drink brass monkey and I rock well. I got a castle in Brooklyn, that's where I dwell. Brass monkey, that funky monkey. Brass monkey, junkie, that funky monkey. Brass chicken at time. When it's time to get ill, boy, on my face. Monkey takes that from your pot and ice. Come on, y'all, it's time to get nice. Cool, the lock is getting kind of funky. Me and the crew are drinking brass monkey. This girl on the boy, she gave me the eye. Reached in the locker, grabbed a Spanish fly. I put it in the monkey, mixed it in a cup, went over to the girl. Yo, baby, what's up? I already sip. Thought she gave me lip. They began to stuff her in and now she's on my brass monkey, that funky monkey. Brass monkey, junkie, that funky monkey. Brass up to the bar and put the girl down. She takes a big gulp and slaps it around. You take a sip, you can do it. You get right to it. We had a case in the place. Well, we went right through it. You got a John Martini and thinking you're cool. Taking place at the bar, smack you off your stool. Put a dog in a single girl. And if you got beef, you get beat to a pulp. Monkey and party and reeling and rocking. Deaf, girls, all y'all jocking. The song and dance keeping you in the trance. If you don't bum a record, I got my head band. I think it, I see it, I be it. I love brass monkey, but I don't give the yank. We got the bottle, you got the cup. Come on, everybody, let's get brass monkey, that funky monkey. Brass monkey, junkie, that funky monkey. Brass monkey, that funky monkey. Brass monkey, junkie, that funky monkey. Brass monkey.
Necesidades de urgencia porque creemos y no tenemos ninguna duda de que el Poder Ejecutivo ha tenido una estrategia clara de evitar el control parlamentario en estas dos situaciones.
Pero sí, no queremos el carácter del mundo, no queremos los más simpáticos. Es un plazo grande, y con nosotros debe ser.
Hay tensión en los rostros de los dos contendientes. El gato que hicieron en la esquina. El perrito lindo en la otra. El perrito lindo no quiere pelear, parece hoy. Porque hoy quiere.
A vivir de sesiones, y si no lo hace, podríamos estar en
¿Qué es lo que quiere el perrito lindo? ¿Pelear con el gato o ser amigo? El gato no sabe qué hacer, porque él es un gato adulto y toda la vida fue corrido por perros en la misma especie.
Esta sería Cristina contra todos, la presidenta ahora contra Mauricio Macri.
La cabeza mueve.
formidable maniobra, no solamente política, sino mediática.
Hay mucha gente que piensa que como se hicieron las cosas de este momento...
Sí, como es similar cuando peleaba con el gato,
Sobre todo queremos menor nivel de conversación, más diálogo, más respeto.
Una certeza de que no estamos abajo y agua,
Ahora con Martín Dorado.